Hello my friends, Jose from LuoVita here. Today I'm going to talk about how to program your subconscious for success. This is very important. So programming your subconscious mind is the key for this automatic success almost. So it helps you create happiness and minimize some resistance. So by following simple steps, you can create the success and happiness you want. Here are 3 ways or a couple of ways to program your subconscious mind. The first one is to import the affirmation you want to have. Another way is to relieve a heavy memory, and another way is to replace negative thoughts with positive ones. So let's start with positive affirmations. Positive affirmations replace negative ones. It seems sometimes counterintuitive to replace negative thoughts with positive ones, but it's a powerful tool for self-improvement. Positive affirmations can make you feel good about yourself and empower you to make the changes you want in life. It may be challenging at first to practice using these positive affirmations, but with practice it becomes easier. And by changing your perspective, you will be able to reach your full potential. So positive affirmation can reprogram our subconscious mind in different ways. By making them this mantra or visualization, you can visualize this outcome, and this can help your subconscious mind to see yourself in a more positive light. So our subconscious mind is a silent pilot, an autopilot in our life. So identifying and replacing limiting beliefs can have a lot of positive effects, really important and mind-blowing effects. The first step is to get clear about what you want in life. This is, in general, it's really our worst problem. What do we really want in life? So try to visualize what you would like to achieve in the next, for example, 5 years. If you are unsure, use this vision board to help you focus on what you want. It could be as simple as a list or a physical poster, for example. Visualize the outcome you desire is really very important because it can trigger, and it will trigger, specific emotions. Our subconscious mind is more effective when it is exposed to positive messages and visual reminders. It's crucial to not allow it also to become overstimulated by negative messages. So negative thoughts can lead to failure, as you know, setbacks, negative behaviors, and using this positive affirmation can help you overcome these beliefs and reprogram your subconscious for success. So there are a number of audio programs, and I have also these programs and these resources that you can use for these positive affirmations. So these programs can, for example, be downloaded, and they are designed to repeat in the subconscious mind and help you to unlock your true potential. But you can do this also by repeating some positive affirmation, what you want in life, and do this over and over again. You can write it down. Once you begin to using these positive affirmations, you will be able to achieve your goals and become successful in life. Believe me, I tried it. And it's essential to practice this self-love and self-compassion. Very important. If you're not doing this, you are creating this negative environment for yourself. And by using this positive affirmation, you will be able to attract more positive opportunities and eliminate these negative thoughts. That's very important. The positive energy, because we are all made of vibration, energy, and physical matter, of course, but the positive energy you will create will go into your unconscious and make you happier and more successful. What you also can do is relieve these positive past memories. And to program your subconscious for success, you must first understand how your mind stores also information. So this information is stored in the subconscious, and it's related to your present experience, but also your past experience, of course. It stores messages about your potential and limitations that may have formed in your early childhood. We all have this. For example, your subconscious may have stored messages about your gender, physical abilities, economical status, environments. So these messages may have formed some kind of foundation for your beliefs when you were just 7, 8 years old or something. And in other cases, some of these messages are largely based on, for example, your environment and your family, your friends. So important in this affirmation you want to have. And how do we do this? Affirmations work to influence your subconscious mind, but they must be aligned with what you want to achieve. And this way you'll be able to program your subconscious mind for success. You can start by learning about the associations and fears you have with certain situations and things. And affirmations work by conditioning the subconscious mind to act on your desires. So they do so by creating this mental picture of what you want to achieve in your subconscious mind. And because the subconscious mind is unable to distinguish between fact and fiction, that means reality and fiction, affirmations need to be as positive as possible. A positive image will help your subconscious mind to accept these thoughts and see them as true and attract people and events that match it. It's also called law of attraction. But as I always say, it's okay, but you must take action. When you use affirmations, it's best to choose ones that relates to your daily challenges, for example. For example, if you are working on improving your relationship, you want to use powerful phrases that speak to the other person. For your health, you may want to focus on wealth and see yourself in a healthy environment. After you've done these affirmations, you can begin to practice this positive self-talk. So, positive self-talk will help you create this new positive reality. Visualization helps you to lock in this habit. You feel more comfortable with it and you will be more likely to repeat it when you want to achieve some specific outcome. And what you are doing is retraining your mind to be your ally. If you want to be really successful, you must learn how to train this subconscious mind to work for you. And especially, there are several different ways you can do this. For example, you can listen to motivational audio programs or read motivational articles like the one we have at our podcast and our YouTube channel. So by following these instructions, you can begin to achieve success in your life. So to start, identify what you want in life. As I said before, then focus on that. Just focus on that. Don't overthink these situations. Focus on the outcome you want. Defining exactly what you want will help your brain to build this blueprint of your goal, which gives it these tools to make your vision come true. So another way to program your subconscious mind is to use, as I said, this visualization. You can visualize having certain number of, family, children, performing your dream job, running your own business. So visualizing your goal, you are training your subconscious to believe in that outcome. It's real. For your subconscious, it's already real, right? So ultimately, you can reprogram subconscious mind to work for you and to make it work in your favor. Slowing down our breathing, which sometimes, as I now, for example, are really excited to say this stuff. So it's not easy, but we should always slow our breathing down, recenter our concentrations on our breathing. And for example, when we go to sleep, we tend to think about negative things, and these thoughts can influence our subconscious mind. And these bad thoughts only serve to make things worse sometimes. Remember that energy flows where your focus is. So instead of spending your sleep thinking about bad things or something that worries you, try to use this time to just have this powerful change in your life. Think about something that calms you down and just fall asleep. I mean, I know it's easier said than done, but human mind is really this powerful thing in the world. It's the most powerful thing we have in the world. So if you just explore it in the right way, you can really transform it in this potential energy, and it works at your ally. Then it's a secret, you know. This secret is used to work, for example, with the subconscious mind to help negative emotions, to heal these emotions and promote well-being. So it's using this powerful subconscious mind, our adventures, can really change our life forever. And I have proof of this all the time, you know. So I hope this was very useful for you, and you can leave comments, subscribe to our blog. You will receive weekly some very cool information and tips, and this will help and change your life, really. Subscribe to our channel, and you know, take care of yourself. We have this life, and just share it and live it. Bye bye, take care.